Hi everyone, just want to inform you I'm starting a new series 2, on the crucial acts in every relationship marriage that just make it better. Either the presence or the lack, depending on which crucial act we're talking about, can erode that respect and love that you get to that point of no return. As an accredited family and divorce mediator, I've done more divorces than I care to remember. As a legal expert, I've seen people at the table, and I've seen both sides. And when all those filters are gone and, people say what they've always wanted to say, and we start talking about how did you get here, I have found over many years that 90% of those acts are the same in relationships. And I've decided to actually do a series on that. And maybe it will help you, whether you're 20 years old, 40 or 60 years old, in a second marriage, first marriage, in a relationship, or whether you're single. You will learn from it. And it's not marriage counseling, it's not psychological advice or anything like that. It's just practical, true life aspects that I have seen by sitting in literally hundreds of these sessions on marriage and why people get to that point. And of course there's other reasons as well, but these crucial acts play a huge role in your loving marriage with respect and joy, right? A joyful life. I hope you follow it on my channel. See you there.